Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please introduce myself. My name is Putra Hadi. I'm a student Magister of Sharia Economic, Islamic University of Sultan Taha, Jambi. I will be presenting a paper of journal from the result of research by Tri Auri and College from the Islamic University of North Sumatra, entitled Utilization of Technology as a Strategic Tool for Developing BPRS in North Sumatra in the Digital Era. This presentation consists of 5 parts, namely introduction, literature, review, research method, result of research, vocabulary. BPRS role and digital imperatives as a background for the first time for this introduction. For the role, BPRS support micro and small enterprise across North Sumatra. As the challenge for this research is limited capital, weak information technology infrastructure, skill gap. And scope for this research, 6 BPRS studied. There is Al-Wasilah, Amanah Bangsa, Amanah Insan Cita, Gebu Prima, Purwakarta Insani, and Sindang Jaya. For the strategic needs, mobile banking, core banking, fintech partnership. Problem statement for digital adoption in BPRS. As the critical issues, executive must resolve to prioritize digital investment. Number 1 is uneven technology adoption across BPRS. Number 2, limited infrastructure and funding for digital project. Number 3, insufficient skill human resources for fintech and digital operation. 4, suboptimal fintech collaboration and digital marketing. 5, strategic misalignment in prioritization digital initiative. For the research objective is technology for BPRS growth, primary goal, and 3 focus secondary aim for North Sumatra BPRS. For primary objective is analyze use of technology as a development strategy for BPRS in North Sumatra. For identify priority digital initiative for operational and customer growth. Assess adoption barrier is finance, infrastructure, and human resources. For the recommended actionable step for management and policy maker, provide evidence-based Sharia alignment implementation advice. Benefit this research, the number 1 is management, practical recommendation to design technology-based development strategies and prioritize investment. The second, for the society, support financial and digital literacy and expand access to Sharia compliant services for underserved communities. The third, for the academia, adds evidence and digitalization in micro-Islamic banking and suggests avenue for further research. The fourth, for the regulators, inform policies support such as funding, training, and infrastructure to accelerate digital adoption in BPRS. Literature review, innovation and capability in Islamic fintech. Therefore, use the diffusion of innovation radar, use of resource-based view or RBV, use the practical technologies, the Shariah compliant implication for strategies. The relevant research on digitalization in BPRS, I note there are 3 relevant research. The number 1 is Sabri, digital transformation increased customer and asset. Musdalifah and Mahmudi, mobile application drive millennium. Rozi is the AI and big data enable inclusion. As a hypothesis for this study is digital technology boosts BPRS competitiveness. Main hypothesis is strategic utilization of digital technology positively affect BPRS competitiveness and performance in North Sumatra. For the adoption outcome depend on financial capacity and HR competence. The third of hypothesis is mobile banking and digital financing accelerate customer acquisition and operational efficiency. And the fourth of the hypothesis is fintech collaboration and Sharia compliant design mediate adoption success. For the research method, the first study design, the first step is site selection, next data collection by interview. The next step is data collection by observation and document. The next is analysis with ENP. ENP is analytic network process used to prioritize strategic alternative using super decision software. And the last step is synthesis and conclusion. Research method use the data source. The first source is BPRS name. There are 6 BPRS name. For the analytical or analysis technique is use an ANP analysis for flow for strategic prioritization. The step 1 is pair-wise comparison. The second step is consistency check. Next, super decision processing. For the third analysis step, and fourth step is weight calculation, and the last step for analysis by ANP is priority output. Research result for the strategic digital priorities, there are 6 results from this result. The number 1 is mobile banking is the highest weight. Number 2, digitalization of finding by the ANP, this normalized and ideal position. Number 3, AI for the data analysis, ANP is 0.109. This data selected as medium priority for analytical. For the fourth, digital risk management, lower ENP weight. Number 5, fintech integration, lowest ENP weight. Number 6, adoption status, mixed across BPRS. Research finding is the prioritized mobile banking and financing. There are 6 cycle from mobile banking is the core service. Automatic financing is a core service. Funding and capital is enable, and HR and skill is as enable. Enable other is IT and cyber security, regulation and Sharia guidance, and fintech partnership. And the last of the cycle for the prioritized mobile banking and financing is the customer. For the customer, access, efficiency, and compliance. For the conclusion from this research is there are 4 conclusions. The number 1 is the result of the study indicate the several BPRS have begun to adopt digital technologies such as mobile banking application, digital risk management system, and integration with Islamic fintech. Number 2, the level of adoption is highly dependent on the financial capacity and strategy of each BPRS, while others are still in the early stage of digital transformation. Number 3, Several BPRS have begun digital transformation but have such as limited technological infrastructure, low capital, and lack of skilled human resources are still major obstacles. The fourth, collaboration with fintech and the implementation of digital marketing strategies have not been fully optimized. This is the detail of conclusion. There are 6 conclusions. There are variable technology adoption across 6 BPRS, high impact priorities, digital financing and mobile banking. Major obstacle is there are funding, infrastructure, HR skill, change resistant, cybersecurity and regulation. For the customer-facing service should be launched first. Parallel capacity building is essential. Pursue Sharia compliant fintech partnership. The last of slide this for presentation is vocabulary for executive banking use. I have note and give the conclusion 6 vocabulary for this from this journal. Number 1 is digitalization. Digitalization short definition is the transition of process to digital platform. Number 2, mobile banking. Definition short, smartphone-based customer banking. Fintech integration, the short of definition is partnering with financial technology provider. ENP or analytic network process, for the short definition is a decision method for independent criteria. Number 5, core banking system. For the short definition is central banking software that processes transaction. And cybersecurity, for the short definition is measure protecting system and data. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I can say. I hope this presentation be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Please provide feedback, your input, and others' comment. Wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.